absorptive power. Now, all the bodies emits the radiation and also absorbs the radiation if temperature is more than 0 Kelvin. 0 Kelvin object emits radiation? Yes. 0 degree centigrade? Yes. 0 degree centigrade is nothing but 273.15 Kelvin. There also body emits the radiation. This is one question in our textbook. Object at 0 degree centigrade emits the radiation? Yes, answer is emits the radiation. 0 Kelvin emits the radiation? No. At 0 Kelvin it is not emits. More than 0 Kelvin emits. Okay. In the previous class we have studied about absorption power. Now in this class we are discussing emissive power. Emission. The energy emitted by unit surface area of radiating body is called emissive power. Now let us take this object emits the radiation. Yes, this object emits the radiation. So the energy emitted by unit surface area of radiating body is called emissive power. Okay, we can say energy flux also we can say. Energy flux emitted by unit surface area of radiating body is called emissive power. Energy flux. Otherwise, we can say energy or energy flux. Otherwise, energy emitted by unit surface area of radiating body in second. Here also like this. In unit time. We can mention this also. Is called emissive power. Otherwise, we can write like this also. How we can write? In unit time called emissive power. Symbol is E. Okay, this is the definition. This is the surface area. From this surface area, energy is emitted in 1 second. It's called the energy emitted by unit surface area of a radiating body in 1 second or in unit time called emissive power, denoted by symbol E. Next one, emissivity. The ratio of emissive power of a body. This is your body. The ratio of emissive power of a body to emissive power of a perfect black body is called. This is one object. From this one, the energy is emitted from unit cross-sectional area in 1 second. The same cross-sectional area of a black body you take, it is also emits the energy in 1 second. That energy, the black body emitted energy, is divided by one another, is called emissivity. Symbol is, it is also E, small e by capital E. What is the small e? Emissive power of radiated body like this. Next one, what is capital E? Emissive power of perfect black body. Okay, these two are for 2 marks question. May be given for 2 marks. Okay, now the very very important question in this chapter, the topics are these. How we get the question in the examination for these topics? Utensils are coated by black, white. Otherwise, why the utensils are coated by a black? Utensils means the cooking bowls. The cooking bowls is called utensils. The utensils are coated by black. Why? Black body absorbs all wavelength of radiation. Black body absorbs all wavelength of the radiation. When we can put that on a flame or a stove, absorbs all the wavelengths, so the cooking is very fast. That's why utensils are coated by the black. Why? The black absorbs all wavelength of radiation and cooking is very fast. And next one, in the journal that we have studied in school level also, it is the suggestible to wear the black dress in summer? No. Why? Black body absorbs all wavelength of the radiation. Especially we know in summer, temperature is more, radiation is also more. So when we can wear a black dress, this black dress absorbs all wavelength of the radiation. It is absorbs, but our body temperature is less. Our body temperature is always 37 degrees centigrade. More than that we get the fever. But in summer temperature is 40, 42, 44 up to 48. When we can wear a black dress, this body temperature becomes 42, 48 up to 48 temperature. So this temperature is more, but our body temperature is less. That's why this radiation falls on our body. So we will get more sweat. More sweat we will get. More sweat we will get. It leads to dehydration. Dehydration means we can say sunstroke. That's why it is not good to wear black clothes in summer. Okay? Why the black is not suggested to wear in summer? This is the reason. But next, another one. Opposite of the black body is white body. White body reflects more heat radiation. White is reflects more heat radiation. So that the roof of the buildings are painted by white during the summer. Especially in the summer, all are painted the white color. It is called by Cool Home. Cool Home paste that is available in market, especially on the roofs in summer season are painted that. Why? The white body reflects more heat radiation. That's why the roof of the buildings are painted white during the summer. Hence we can feel comfort. Hence its room becomes very cool. Even in summer also it is painted by the white. Okay. And next, as usually, it is a good to wear white clothes in summer. Why? White reflects more heat energy. So we doesn't get more sweat if we can wear the white dresses in the summer. Okay. These two are very very important, especially for examination point of view. Utensils are coated by black, white. That is one question. Next one, white. The white paint is coated at the roof of the buildings in summer. That is also okay. Black body absorbs the all wavelengths, so the cooking is very fast. That's why utensils are coated by a black. Black body reflects more heat energy. That's why the roof of the buildings are painted white. So the room becomes cool, so we can feel comfort.